Welcome to Pass and Move special. Today we're going to Baba Field Stadium, Emagomeni, and we're proudly brought to you by Banana Foods, our #1 sponsor for the second leg of the Castle Premier Soccer League. It's Highlanders versus Kwekwe United. Khona lapha Emagomeni asaziwe zalankomoni sizabezwa abalandeli for their predictions and the aftermath. This is a review with the game idlale njani. It's Highlanders versus Kwekwe United. Expectations are so high. People want to see the match. It's been a long while with a number of people coming through. Almost 20 minutes before the kickoff of the match. We just want to find out from the fans what are their expectations for today's game.
Since we first game spanning over the
But I don't put this in our put this. Yeah, I didn't last week each way, the most ultimate when I'm charging, finally, I'm charging.
Namuta velo kuikweka kuzafira yuli moja hapo. Kuzafira yuli kukukwanga muda. Lokutaba bana asikwananga isifaika zitibani ya data kuseli. Nambiza feli kimozi kwekwe yake.
So ukeme last week kwa hivyo.
Last week menga yanga. Wewe unajua niweza kutoka ya this is having kama kitu za vingi. Kwa hivyo
why because I came last week the result was not namhlanje la badlale team enye entsha khangeleleni
hayi mina vele namtakhaleli mina straight win for yena 2-0
ungayenzakala otherwise
hayi vele akwenzakali lokho vele never 0 vele
this vele ufundisa ukuthi namhlanje bawina 2-0 ufundisa after bora ahlangane la
bona
sesikhuluma ukuthi 2-0 yakhe iphumile umbani
yabe ngibona era ngindawo yabe ngibona abafta
It is still after abanye confidence ngani phansi ngenxa yeluzi last week but usebenza nesikhathi bacina ukubona iHighlanders eBaba Field mana yiza ukujala lapha nomjala yiza ukujala thomba bakudubele njani hayi isiphele mntujala igame namhlanje ukhangeleleni iHighlanders 2-0 lesiphuma kakhulu kungayenzakala otherwise
angeke kwenzakala otherwise kuthola nasibisabile so ucoach wahamba warekama mistakes akhe awabona ama-gray area so wakulungisa soku-right abafana bathi bakwazi ukuthi bathenge bakuthali kakhulu abakuthali kakhulu hayi ukhathi ithumo mnandi ngoba ngendlela bathenge ngabafana
muphi umfana owambonayo ngathi kukhayelele kakhulu.
Ukhona umfana lomzambiya lona phambili hayi ngapolitisi akhosa ngikhumbula kancane ukuthi kakhulu.
Uba uDumi confidence zakhe so mpaba uDumi. Lapha amasapoti Highland abeSoweto abantu abakhulu bakhona. Mana yizi prediction Highland abesazikhupha United Leaders ngibona njani ke?
Kwabana 2-0 njengoba kunjalo iHighland ishaya abantu kungena ngokusela kwegol ezavele ekhwekwe babili ekhwekwe belalo.
Kungayenzakala otherwise ukuthi
Kungayenzakala otherwise sizama futhi next week simelele yani nga week 4 yani ukuthi ile mali yesinukuyitha 4-0
kuthi azonovumelana la 2-0 leyo.
vile singama-trees
Mana yizi ukuthi atabuthela uthini.
Right, ikhona ezahluhla lezahluhla namuhla kuna. I'm telling you.
We are not sure which one ipe ewina.
Ewina vele ngiyakhona apha nje. Anilabana babuyile laba. Awufiki belutha abantwana bomfazi endlini yami. So labana nje bazodonate 3 points. And nxa kuyikuthi bedlale kuhle sabathatha 2-0. Nxa bedlale kuhle bangadlala sibe serious 2-0. Bangabhayiza 4.
Mana shikuba. Mama Lisa.
Hayi thina siyaphila baba.
Ungekhweka umbe ngoyaleni.
Hayi mina njengoba ubona ngibhekile sibili isigqoka besigole elefeni wakhona lapho wakonzima.
Highland azokhweka United. Score prediction.
Win okunye 0.
Yawina nge-0. Iyathuta ngayo. Umbe iyadliwa ngayo.
Hayi nebhisesi ngacinga sihlohle 2. Uyabona i1 ivele kumele sibe nayo i2 ngesho.
Nawina namhlanje hayi laba bafana bazayo namhlanje hayi futhi sibafuza nebhola ibhola lidlala kanjani ibhola kanjani ibhola yabona futhi sibenze njalo sibagoqe sibabiselele yibo
Sengijayisane lo ndoda wechicken angazi ukuthi yena ulande iHighland umbe ulande ichicken ukuthi asijalo iHighland versus United. What are your expectations for today's game? Ukhayeleleni
khayela i-team engcono ukuthi idlale ngesharp
engcono yipi?
i-team engcono ezawina
So wena kuphela ewina kuyikho kushapa.
ya mina ngithanda i-1 iwina kube le 3 points kwenye team
So when I just need what is it in the neutral, whatever happens.
ya ngababona lokho mdala mina loba yiphi wina ihamba kahle
Yazwela umapya uthi support ekule chicken uthi yena ewina uzozibukela ibhola. Sikhulumile start ukubukela ichicken ukuthi ama supporters whether ichicken umbe Highlanders babuye kodwa amathima ayithuba lesibulawayo. Abantu babe bukela igame A1 ukuthi nje njoba ngoba kule game A1 ida iHighlanders
ya engakukhuthaza ukuthi abantu ababe bezobona bengakhithi ukuthi i-team edlalayo ibhola ibhola mathita sponsor C1 so into sponsor C1 le uzani ngokubona izobukela amathima obulawayo mathita le team endala hlala sikhumbuza i-team enkulu
edala yibe enkulu yibe
endala ileke ngabe le point enkulu le 2 points obulawayo
wakhe wathi wejana
yakhona kunjalo awusithi ubona i-team endala yaqalisa away i-team enkulu phasa ngobulawayo ayikukhona mathita
so ngezindlela ichicken yenkulu yaleda yedala
ya ithikeni yithi menkulu obulawayo endala yayilendas
hayi banisingene semphakathi sibona ukuthi ibhola liyadlala kanjani after Highlanders ngobulewa Peters Highlanders versus United. What's your prediction?
Ukupredicta ikwenza kodwa vele i-team yawina i-team yaziwinela 2-0
last week ngakhuluma labanye last week besisho njalo bana kusayenzakalanga ngendlela ukuthi kungayenzakala otherwise namuhla kuwe yabe kusitshoni
imihliziyo ngaba buhlungu kakhulu kodwa thina sithi thila moya vele yawuthila umoya ayilenda phambili 2-0 ngenkani kule mafunisa konke sorry
awukhayela 2-0
Yes,
0. The last I checked, I had 3 penalties. Put us Highlanders 4, Kwekwe 0. First game of the season, Baba Phil Stadium. After a 1-0 loss to Mesati Malls, the winning qualifications.
That's proper football that we watch today. I encourage them to do more than what they're doing.
abasike bayenza kakhulu ende into esibili siyababongela abafana bese ngikele ngaphansi lapha ezikhaleni zamasitayini lapha
We came, we saw Highlanders 4, Kwekwe United 0, Amazulu avuleka, abantu bajabulile. Highlanders fans are happy people once again. Sponumane Ninja with a hat trick, abantu bakholisile. I think for me he was the man of the match. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. You know, Pass and Move, your #1 podcast in the land. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao.